Hello, this is Carla King, El Dorado Middle School Principal. I am very excited about welcoming all students to the 2021 school year. This school year is going to look different, but I can assure you our Board of Education, the central office, and all the staff here at El Dorado Middle School have made lots of preparations for you, our students, and we cannot wait to get you back into learning mode. You've been off for about 5 months. It's going to take us all a little bit of time to get back into a routine, but I assure you, we've looked at every piece and structure in our building in order to make sure that everyone is safe. Our district has given parents choices on which learning mode will work best for them and their family, whether it be on-site, hybrid 1, hybrid 2, or remote learning. Parents, it will be important if you haven't yet to start practicing having students wear their mask. If they're watching TV, go ahead and have them put their mask on. This will get them in the routine and habit of having their mask on, as they will have it on all day except when they're eating lunch and 6 feet social distance. And we will be incorporating mask breaks. This will occur every hour in each of the classes. We have a schedule for that, so not all students are outside at the same time. Students will have to work on being social distanced. That'll be difficult for kids because we like to talk and visit, so that'll be something we practice. But we will allow those breaks. They're going to need them. Teachers are going to need them. I'm going to need them. So we will incorporate those into our schedule. We did pare down the elective offerings that we did offer students. This was in order to get more time within the core class, to allow for these breaks, to allow for some structures in the classroom, because it's going to look a little different. Teachers are going to be Zooming with kids that might be remote or hybrid. So all of these things were thought about when we looked at altering that schedule a bit. Another change this school year is that students will no longer have lockers. We are asking that all students have a backpack. In their backpack, they will have all the supplies that they need. The supply list is located on the district webpage under El Dorado Middle School, or you can go to the tab that says Parents, go down to Enrollment, and the supply list will be there listed. We ask that you get as many of these supplies as possible. We will not be able to have classroom supplies as we've had in the past. If someone needs scissors, they'll have to have their own. We will not be sharing any type. Even giving a pencil to a student will have to be sanitized in order to have it back. So we just ask that all students bring their own supplies. Students will have to have a mask. We ask that they have hand sanitizer with them. If they're bringing a lunch, that will need to also be in their backpack. Again, we're really grateful that we do have a lot of our textbooks online, so students will not have 4 and 5 textbooks that they're carrying around, because that was a concern that we heard from parents about the weight of the backpacks. And that will also help with transitions with our students. There won't be a congestion of students getting in and out of the locker. Our custodial staff will spend lots of time cleaning bathrooms every hour. When students change, there'll be a protocol for wiping down tables and doorknobs, lots of cleaning going on, and lots of hand washing. Overall, we're very excited about seeing you. If you have questions or concerns, please let us know. Again, make sure you get us the most up-to-date contact information. We really encourage you to have email. A lot of our information will be sent school messenger, and so we want to make sure that you're getting the most up-to-date information. If you don't feel like you have any information or need more, please do not hesitate to call us at 322-4820. Again, we want this to be a great school year. We appreciate your support, and we cannot wait till Wednesday when we get to see all of our students.
Hey everyone, I'm Mr. Claar. I'm the assistant principal here at El Dorado Middle School. First thing I want to tell you is we're real excited to get everybody back here and to start our 2020-2021 school year. Before we can get going, I want to spend some time talking to you about how things are going to look different this year, primarily just to keep everyone safe and we can keep going to school. Probably the first thing you'll notice when you get here to school is that we have painted some cat tracks out here in front of the building. These cat tracks are here to help us remain socially distanced and safe while we're waiting to get into the building. Our doors will open at 8 o'clock every day, so there's no need for you to get here any earlier. Then once the doors are open, we're going to have some different looking procedures to keep you safe while you're going to school. So with that said, let's take a look and see how we're going to do things differently this year. The other thing I want to mention is when you get to school every day, you're going to need to make sure that you have your backpack, your charged iPads, and of course one of these. Before you can enter in the building, everyone, students and staff, will have to have an approved mask. It needs to be on when we enter the building, so before I go in and show you some things, I'm going to get my mask on. Let's go take a look.
Hi, my name is Scott Vang. I'm the El Dorado District Athletic Director and Activities Director.
Hi, I'm Miss Evans, and I am the EMS Nurse Assistant and Med Aid.
Welcome to EMS Middle School. My name is Miss Kennedy. I teach 6th grade science.
Hi, welcome to El Dorado Middle School. I'm Miss West and I teach 6th grade social studies. I can't wait to meet you.
Hi, 6th graders. My name's Miss Hildreth. I teach 6th grade ELA. Welcome to El Dorado Middle School.
Hi, 6th graders. I am Mrs. Stotts, your math teacher, and I am looking forward to meeting y'all soon.
Hi, I'm Mr. Olson, and I teach 6th grade science.
6th grade. I will be your teacher in ancient history. My name is Diane Reeves, and I'm very excited about being able to see you soon. Take care, stay healthy.
Hi, 6th graders. This is Mrs. Meyer. I am one of the English Language Arts teachers for 6th grade. We're looking forward to meeting you soon.
Welcome, 6th grade students. I'm Miss Jeffress, and I'm going to be teaching 6th grade math.
Hello there, I'm Mr. Keith. Welcome back to the middle school. Hope you're ready to have a great year. Look forward to seeing you.
Hey, hello, EMS 7th graders. My name is Mrs. Gillis. I teach language arts and social studies. I look forward to working with you this year, and I'll see you soon.
Hi everyone, my name is Miss Stewart and I teach 7th grade language arts. I'm really looking forward to seeing you when school starts.
Greetings, cats. This is Mrs. Vitas, room 707, 7th grade math and girls tennis coach. I hope this finds you well and in good spirits. Looking forward to seeing you soon.
Hey gang, Miss Rush here. I teach 7th grade science and I'm looking forward to seeing you.
Hi 7th grade, welcome back. I am Miss Greenwell. I will be your social studies teacher. I can't wait for us to get this school year started and welcome you guys back into the school.
Hey 8th graders, my name is Mr. Lears. I teach 8th grade math and American history. Looking forward to seeing you.
Hi 8th graders, this is Carrie Vang and I teach math and Algebra 1 this year. So excited to meet you. Bye.
Hey 8th graders, it's Miss Arpin here. I teach 8th grade science and social studies. Look forward to seeing you.
Hey 8th graders, it's Jared Childs. I teach 8th grade English and we'll see you soon.
Hi 8th graders, it's Mrs. Chatter. I teach English and American history. See you soon.
Hello 8th graders, my name is Mr. Hausman and I am teaching 8th grade science. Looking forward to seeing you.
Hi, I'm Randy Just and I'm with Communities in Schools. Welcome students, and I'm here to help you succeed. Have a great year.
I love you.
takati, kuliki takata, kuliki takati, kuliki takata, sablakatiki takatiki, sablakatiki takata.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Banks Todd, and I teach vocal music.
I'm Mr. Monroe, and I'm the orchestra teacher.
Hi, I'm Mr. Boone, and I teach band.
Hello, I'm Mr. Munoz, and I teach band.
Hi, I'm Richard Garbee. I teach technology.
Hello, I'm Jenny Lehecka, and I teach library.
Hey guys, I'm Adam McCormick, and I teach social skills.
Hey, I'm Mrs. Flores, and I teach art.
I am Mr. Richardson, and I teach boys PE.
I'm Mrs. Cooper. I teach girls PE.
Mr. Baker, and I teach computers.
Hello, behind this mask is one of your friendly counselors, Mr. Lamone.
Hi guys, it's Mrs. Paye, and I cannot wait to have you guys back. Whether it be hybrid, or whether it be face-to-face later on, or whether it even be remote, we are so excited to welcome you back. So get ready, Cat Nation, it's going to be one for the books.
Okay, once the doors open at 8 o'clock, there's going to be a couple of things you're going to have to do before we can have you go to class and learn something for the day. When you walk in, there's going to be a wrist scanner to check your temperature. All you have to do is hold your wrist up to it about an inch away from it, and the temperature will be read by one of our staff members there at the door. You'll then sanitize your hands, and then you're ready to start your day. So let's go and take a look and see what that'll be like.
Hi, Mr. Claar.
Hi, Mrs. King. How are you?
Fine. I need you to take your wrist and scan in, please. Awesome. I'm going to give you some hand sanitizer. All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's have a great day.
You too.